What's up, man?
So,
What's this?
the spoilers, bro. Under the rule spoilers.
How much you get these from?
How much?
Yeah.
You wanna guess?
600. 200.
They're like 300.
300 bucks.
Yeah. They're fucking RallyArmor, bro.
Damn. Made in the US, huh? In his it's not brand new, but he got a new car. What year is it again?
2016.
2016 WRX. He already did an exhaust install without me because he was impatient. It's pretty clean. I think he wants to cut his resonator out. It's gonna be loud as. Welcome back, everyone. We're actually back in Kate's house again.
What's up?
We're gonna do up Mr Wang's mud flaps for his rear wheels there in his 2016 WRX. I want to show you guys something. This is what he designed. Our logo over here. I had a big one in my car. I took it off. So I'm just gonna get a little small one. It looks pretty clean. That's what I'm gonna get.
It is 80 centimeters wide.
Yeah. And hopefully I can get some more to give out to some people that I know. Hey, what happened to the rims, bro?
What do you mean?
What's this?
Hey, my shoes, man.
Back to stockies.
Like the
They can't see my shoe, shut up. That's a haircut, bro.
Thanks.
He got a haircut on purpose because he knows we're going to be in camera today.
Alright, call me.
You have a girlfriend?
My phone number is 0416 465
Shut up.
646.
You sure you don't need to jack up the car?
Not for the front. I don't know about the back.
You haven't even realised he bought an STI lip.
Another fucking lip coming, bro.
Did you get an STI or an STD, man? So for the rear ones, we're gonna have to take off the wheel. I've already loosened up the nut and it's just taking it off now.
So this is the brake. That's caliper. That's
That's not the brake, bro. That's the turbo. This is the turbo line, bro. It goes into the engine.
Each of these add 1 horsepower. So that's 1, 2,
Shut
3, 4, 5.
up, bro. So I was just minding my own business. Kid over there. He's messing around with my car. I was like, what are you doing? He's like, oh, do you like your sticker? I'm like, what are you talking about? Anyway, it's this inside joke that... Anyway, I'm just going to show you. You think you're funny, boy?
Yeah, it's nice to
I'm going to take it out. Nearly done that. Finally done. Hang on the wheel, man. Cold. Other side now. Finally done. Frustrating, man. You forgot that.
Just need to wash his car.
You can wash it, bro.
Sun is down, freezing cold. That's how we already know. When it's here, my dog will probably do it for a Louis Bell. That's just all he know, he don't know nothing else. I tried to show him.